Selling naked puts can make you rich. Here's how. We're gonna take a live example on Apple. I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how I sell puts on Tasty Trade with a lot less buying power than Robinhood and generate at least $100 a day in this trade. So let's get started. Open Tasty Trade if you don't have an account, link below. Pick Apple. I picked Apple because they have earnings and I want to show you this. Now if you go to the chart right here, this is where I am. I got all this stuff in here. I see that Apple price today $233.40, but it's in the mid range between the green line and the red line, which is 8 Kettler channel deviation from the mean, which means that hey, there's a lot of room to go to 261 and a lot of room to go to 191. If it goes below 191, yeah, I'll definitely buy Apple long term. However, right now, the most important number that I'm looking for, is this one. Average true range. This is the most powerful indicator in the world. I love average true range. It tells me how to make money selling put options every single day. Average true range, I see the price right now 421. Okay, remember that 421. That means that Apple moves on average in the last 14 days, okay, an average of $4.21. Up down, doesn't matter. They move about $4 a day. That's what they have done in the last 14 days. Why is this important and how we can become rich selling options on Apple with this information? We're going to go to a calculator. Okay, we're going to go to a calculator. I'm going to put 421 multiply by 8. Why? Because a lot of the move after earnings, around earnings, is 2 ATR. I'm not doing 2 ATR. I want to sell put options and I don't want to be assigned, even though it is Apple. If it goes 2 ATR, still no. Still good money, but still no. I want so much far out of the money, but still collect $100 a day. So this is why I'm picking 8 ATR, which is 4 times the worst case scenario. Well, the worst case scenario is 0, but the worst case scenario as of the expected move after earnings, okay, which is in a few days. 8 times the ATR, okay, equals $33. So we have done the 4.21, which is the expected average true range. The price that Apple moves on average in the last 14 days is $4.21. Multiply that by 8, we got $33.68. $33. Apple moves 33, not move. If Apple will move $33, this is where I want to be a buyer. And if they don't, I want to collect at least $100. So the math is pretty simple. We take the number. Remember, we got $33.68. We got $233.40. The price today right here minus $33.68. It's $200. $199.72. Now I know that I'm gonna sell put options on Apple, the 200 put options on Apple, in order for me to generate passive income, daily passive income of $100. So let's go do that. We're gonna click on trade, okay, and I'm gonna show you the big difference between Robinhood that a lot of people use to sell put options and Tasty Trade. I'm gonna go to December 20. Why? Because I wanna collect income. I wanna collect more income. December 20, the monthly expiration is 53 days from now. Okay, November is the next expiration, but there's earnings in the next 2-3 days, and this is like 2 weeks after that. I wanted to give it more time to digest, to do its thing, and to stay above 200. And if it goes below 200, okay, I'll be assigned, I'll be happy to. But if it doesn't, I will collect $100 and I will repeat this trade with different tickers every single day with 8 ATR. This is the secret. selling options and using Tastyworks. Let me show you what I mean. I'll give you even more edge because you will use a lot less buying power. So let's go over this. So click here on the 53 days and it will open us December 20. You're gonna scroll up to 200 right here and you see the bid and the ask. Let's click here. It's gonna open a tab, 99 cents. Let's do one more. There we go. $100 is what I'm looking for right here. I'm gonna lock it. I'm doing this video after hours just so you can understand, but this is $100 profit. What's going on in this screen? Let's do a quick screen. We are selling naked puts, okay? This isn't covered calls. I don't own 100 shares of Apple that I need $23,000 for that. No. I also am not on Robinhood where I would need $20,000 in order to collect 100. No. I'm in a Tasty trade and I'm doing the same thing. I'm selling the 200 puts. As you saw, 8 ATR outside of the expected move. This is where we are now. You can see the expected move is so far. You see it in the orange. It's anywhere between here, the 250 to 220, give or take. And you see exactly $15 plus minus $15.4 up or down. This is what the expected move of Apple by the expiration. I'm going all the way here to 200, a lot more than the expected move. This is where the ATR indicator comes to play. I'm gonna collect $100 on that, and look at the beauty of this. Max profit $100 right here. Buying power affected, you only need $4,000, $3,999.50. $4,000 we rounded up to make this trade and collect $100 today. This goes to your account today as soon as you execute the trade. Okay, if you have Robinhood, they will ask you for $20,000. Why? Because you sell the $200 put times 100, 20,000. Robinhood wants cash secured put. Tastyworks gives you the option to trade naked puts, collect the same amount, just like Robinhood. You will collect $100, 99 bucks, depends when you get assigned, but the buying power instead of 20,000 is only $4,000. This is crazy. Probability of profit, POP. Okay, it even says this probability of profit, 93% chance to win. Probability of reaching 50% of max profit. So to make at least 50% of the profit, you have 96% chance to win. Theta decay 3.8 means that every day that goes by, this option will decay, but almost $4. Slowly but surely, you will collect your premium. You will get it up front. The money is yours, but it ties up $4,000, and it will either expire worthless or you can close before. But it is $100 for you to use today to do whatever that you want. Delta of positive 8.24. If you click on the quick analysis right here, you will see basically max profit $100. This is the money that comes to you. If the price of Apple winds up greater than 199, your max possible profit is 100, which you collect as of today. And the max loss is if Apple goes to 0, but less than 199, you could lose 19,900. Yeah, it sounds scary, but as long as Apple stays above 199, which is 200 minus the $1 income that you collected, you should collect everything. And if it does, if Apple goes down 8 times more than the expected move of the ATR, okay, and goes from 233 to 200, yeah, I will probably either close the trade. Okay, you can close the trade and not get assigned, or if you want to get assigned, you will at that point need to have $20,000. But Tastyworks, as of now, they just want you to have $4,000 to take this trade. Hope this was valuable. I'll see you next time.